Hello guys, welcome to Aham's BTC channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you in practical steps on how to add Polygon Network to your MetaMask wallet. This is important if you like to trade, farm or participate in the IDOs and pools that happens only in decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, QuickSwap, and many others on the Polygon chain. So to connect your Polygon network, we are going to do this in two ways: the manual method and the automatic method. If this is your first time coming across my videos, you are highly welcome to the family. In this channel, I make videos with the right information on everything crypto that is good for your pocket. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, about NFTs, arbitrage strategies that works, and how to make free money in the crypto space, you are in the right place. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, click on the notification bell so that whenever new videos like this drop, you'll be the first to be notified. And that will also help us to grow by reaching others. Okay guys, moving forward, we first have to sign into our MetaMask wallet. I usually like to use fingerprint, so I'm going to click here first so that it will activate the fingerprint. Then I'm going to put in my fingerprint to sign in. And right now I am in MetaMask wallet. So remember, before you start off, you are going to make sure that you have downloaded the MetaMask wallet from the Play Store or iOS if you are using iPhones and stuff like that. And also register your accounts with MetaMask, and it's very simple to do. In case if you do not know how to do that, I may likely going to make a video to show you step by step how you can also create MetaMask wallet accounts. It's free. So right now we are going to proceed. So before we do this, you have to make sure that you first go to browser. We are using Chrome browser, and right in Chrome browser, make sure that you type add Polygon Network to MetaMask. And once it opens this way, scroll down until you find this. It says add Polygon Network / Polygon Technology, and this is under documents in Polygon Technology. So when you click on it, it's going to open and you are going to see the information that we will need. We are going to now open our MetaMask. So once you are in your MetaMask wallet this way, you have to first click right here at the top left corner of your screen. You click on the three lines there. Then the next you click on settings. When it opens, you have to locate networks. Click on it. Right here, we are going to click on add network. And once you click here, then you will look at the picture by the left corner of this screen and fill in the information accordingly. I'm going to do that right away. So now that we have filled in this information, we are going to click on add. So as you can see, we have been able to add Polygon Network right here. So this is it, Polygon Mainnet. You will see it at the top here. So right before now, we do not have it here. Now we have added it. So you can see it now. So in case if you also want to delete the Polygon network that we just added, you can still follow these same simple steps. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And also click on settings like we did before here. Then you have to also click on network. To delete this MATIC mainnet, all you have to do is click and hold the MATIC mainnet until it populates this. So then you have to click on remove. So like this, we have been able to remove the Polygon MATIC network that we added to MetaMask. Okay guys, that was how to manually add Polygon network to MetaMask. If you want to do it automatically, you will have to do that with your computer, and the process is so very easy. But I'm going to still show you the process right here so that you can really understand how you can do it even with your computer. So if you are doing that with your computer, you have to make sure that you log into polygonscan.com, and once you do that, you will have to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see add Polygon network. So all you have to do is click on add Polygon network, and once you've done that, it's going to automatically activate your MetaMask from the tab in your browser. So right there, you just have to do some clicks and it will be done. It's just that simple. So that's it for now, guys. And if you really enjoy this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing you a lot of informative videos like this for you to learn and try out anything that you want to do in this crypto space. And if you have any question regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will take my time and make sure that I answer you. And that being said, we'll wrap it up here. See you on the next one, guys.